Let's now tell you what's happening in Sri Lanka. There are three big developments. The Lankan cabinet has cleared Indian investment for a port terminal. At the same time, it has also established a trilateral secretariat with India and the Maldives on maritime security. And interestingly, it has also put China's COVID-19 vaccine on hold. Let's take this one at a time. I'll start with the port deal. First, some context to this story. In February this year, Colombo scrapped a deal to develop a major port terminal with India and Japan. This was the strategic East Container Terminal at the Colombo port, located right next to a $500 million Chinese-run container jetty. India and Japan lodged their protest. Sri Lanka stood by its decision. And now, nearly a month on, Colombo has decided to course correct. It has offered the West Container Terminal at the same port to India and Japan. The map on your screen will help you understand its location. This terminal is yet to be built, and the Lankan government says any development that takes place here will only be done by India and Japan. We have a copy of the Sri Lankan cabinet's order. The order says the development of the terminal will take place in collaboration with the Sri Lanka Ports Authority and parties nominated by Indian and Japanese governments. The order also calls for the appointment of a project committee to evaluate the proposals. Colombo says the Indian High Commission has approved the offer, although there has been no official response from New Delhi. Moving on, Sri Lanka, India and the Maldives have jointly established a secretariat for trilateral national security advisors. This will be a permanent secretariat on maritime security cooperation. It was inaugurated on Monday at the headquarters of the Sri Lankan Navy. The defense attaches of India and the Maldives were present at this launch. So what exactly will this secretariat do? It will promote meaningful cooperation in the Indian Ocean region, expand the scope of intelligence sharing between the three countries, and tackle issues like maritime terrorism, drugs, arms and human trafficking, money laundering, cybersecurity threats as well. On to the third key development that we are tracking, and this one is extremely significant. According to reports in the Sri Lankan media, Sri Lanka has decided to put China's coronavirus vaccine Sinopharm on hold. It is instead importing vaccines from India to inoculate its 14 million people. Why? Because the Chinese Wuhan virus vaccine has not been cleared yet. Dr. Ramesh Pathirana, a spokesperson for the Sri Lankan cabinet, has been quoted as saying, and I'm quoting, the Chinese vaccine Sinopharm has not yet completed phase 3 clinical trials. A complete dossier related to the registration of the Chinese vaccine has also not yet been received. Sri Lanka will depend mostly on the AstraZeneca vaccine from the Serum Institute of India. And so Sri Lanka has approved the purchase of the Made in India vaccine. A total of 10 million doses will be shipped by the Serum Institute of India as the Chinese vaccine struggles to find any takers. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.